How to fix Ryanair app not scanning passport. Now, in this video, I provide you basic troubleshooting steps for you to be able to fix Ryanair application not scanning your passport. Now, the very main thing that you want to have to do is once you pull up Ryanair application, make sure that you all allow all necessary devices before you use your QR code or use the camera and scanning your passport. However, if it's still not showing on your end, then what you can do first is make sure that your Ryanair application is updated to the latest version by going into the App Store where you downloaded it and make sure that the update button is not visible. Next thing that you want to do is to close everything first before re-scanning and then look for the Ryanair app, tap and hold, and then go into this eye icon. And then once you're here, scroll down and then under usage, choose on storage and simply clear data. Once you've done this, just simply relaunch the application once again and try to rescan your passport. And that is how you fix Ryanair app not scanning passport.